The question that we are discussing here is check if it is a straight line. So yeah, let's go through the question. So given an array of coordinates x comma y, so check if these make a straight line in an xy plane. So they have also given us two examples. So in the first one, if you see all these points, that is 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 6, 7, these are provided as input in a 2D array. And if you plot these in a xy plane, they lie on a straight line. And the second example, they have given 4 points 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 5. And if you plot in the xy coordinates, they don't give a straight line. Instead, it's a zigzag line. So how can we find this? So we know the formula for the slope of the line. So slope equals difference in the y coordinates by difference in the x coordinates. So we use this formula to find if all the points lie in the straight line or not. So first what we do is, so we calculate the slope with respect to the first 2 points here. So slope equals difference in y coordinates, that is 3 minus 2 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. And we store this in a variable called slope. And for every other successive points, we either calculate the slope with respect to the first point or with respect to the previous point or any point. So if slope throughout remains the same, then all these points lie on the straight line. If it differs, then all the points doesn't lie on the straight line. So if we see for this example, if we consider this point and consider the slope with respect to the first point, it is 6 minus 5 by, 6 minus 2 by 5 minus 1, which is 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. If we consider for this point, 7 minus 2 divided by 6 minus 1, which is 5 by 5, which is 1. So all the slopes are same, which is 1. So they lie on the straight line. Similarly, if we consider for the example 2, if we consider slope which is between first 2 points, which is 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, which is 1 by 1, which is 1. If we consider for the second point, which is 4 minus 1 by 3 minus 1, which is 3 by 2. So these two are not equal. So these points do not lie. If you want to check for the other one also, then it is 5 minus 1 by 4 minus 1, which is 4 by 3. So all the slopes are not equal. So hence they do not lie on the straight line. So here we have returned false.